Hi guys, this is your favorite awkward math teacher, and I'm going to show you how to multiply matrices. First, you have to make sure that the columns in your first, it's reversed. How is that gonna, can I fix that?
It will, I think so.
It'll fix at the end?
I think so.
Okay, and we're back. So the number of columns in matrix 1 must be equal to the number of rows in matrix 2. So if you don't remember how to multiply these from when we did in geometry last year, that wasn't supposed to be there. That's a number 1. If you don't remember, we'll go back there. So before we multiply, because we're going to be multiplying some weird sizes, you have to make sure that the columns in your first matrix equals the number of rows in your second matrix. For example, if my matrix 1 is something like 1, 2, 3, 4, and my matrix 2 is something like 5, 6, the number of columns in matrix 1 is that a 2? No, this is so hard.
Don't worry, President Mrs. Letty. Teacher Mrs. Letty's here with the answer.
Columns
I can tell you
is
what
equal
calorie
to
is.
2 rows. So yes, I can multiply these. Now we can go through and multiply them. So our resulting matrix is going to end up looking like matrix 1. It's going to have the same shape, the same number of rows as matrix 1. That's kind of what it's going to look like. So our answer matrix is going to have 4 elements because our first matrix, our matrix 1, has 4 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer matrix is also going to have 4 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4. In order to find out what each of those 4 elements is, I'm going to label my rows here. Row for R for row and C for column. In order to find out what goes in your row 1, column 1 spot, so this is our row 1, column 1 spot, we're going to multiply
Awesome, future Mrs. Letty. I can't wait to learn what it is.
Our first row, this is really hard to do upside down, times our first column. And so we're going to go my first row times my first column, so 1 times, is that a 5? There's a 5 in my mirror. Is that a 5 for real?
A calorie is a measure of energy that we get from food.
This is practice.
What's a calorie? A measure of energy that we get from food.
1 times 5, and then add it to the other element multiplying. So we'll add it to 2 times 6.
No, I'm going to need to do another one.
The sum of the product of elements, so the product here is 5 plus 12
so it's
is
like
17.
A soda has like
That
500
final
calories, so it has
number.
like 500 measures that we get from that soda.
Is that a 7
And
for
like
its...
a burger has like 1,300 calories, so that's like 1,300 measures that we get from our
Closer.
food.
Hopefully this was helpful, but maybe it'll be more comical than
kids are gonna be
anything
like-
else. My kids, my students are going to hate this.
They're gonna laugh.
That's
They're gonna
right.
laugh.
A calorie is the
They're gonna
measure
think
that we